Good morning, Shine. Alright, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So this is another edition of Black Girl Friday, where I highlight on my channel brands that were founded by and that are run by Black women. I'm doing hair products right now, things you can pretty much go and get in store, but eventually I'm going to branch off to companies that you can get stuff online, even makeup, soaps, everything. If it's run by a Black girl, send it to me. So listen, this week's episode, we are going to be using TGIN, which is, thank God, it's natural. I'll get more into things about the founder and the company at the later end of this video. I'm using her Miracle Repair line, and they did not have a shampoo at my local Target for this, so I do have the Miracle Repair Deep Hydrating Hair Mask, the Protective Leave-In Conditioner, and the Curl Food. So this is more so of a daily moisturizer versus actually like a twisting cream or something like that. So I am going to go ahead and pair that with a gel, but we'll get to that at the later end of this video. Now I'm gonna tell you something right now. She expensive. Okay, so look, you can get it at Ulta online for 40% off right now, I believe. Other stores have it on sale. Follow them on Instagram. They regularly have sales. But because I decided at the last minute to get this, I could not access Ulta.com and have it shipped in time to get the 40% off. One of these products, the receipt does not actually say. One of these products is $17.99. The other two are $14.99. So I paid about $47 for 3 products. Expensive, but you know what, hey, if for quality ingredients, I don't mind investing money. I realize this is not a budget that is for everyone, especially right now with the economic climate that we are dealing with. So if you cannot afford this, trust me, I'm going to follow up with more affordable tutorials or reviews or whatever you want to call it. Just hang on in there. All right, so that's the business of the video. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair off camera. We're gonna come back and get into these products.
Hey, child.
I am back. My hair is washed. Let's go and get into this deep treatment. It is the Miracle Repair Deep Hydrating Hair Mask. It has black honey and coconut oil. So to my vegans or to the people that hate coconut oil, just let this be your entertainment, honey. Just listen. We'll try again next time. So as far as ingredients goes, to my Curly Girl Method followers, it does have silicone. So to you, just let this be your entertainment. So let's go ahead and get this open. It smells delightful. It's really nice. So I'm gonna try to not overdo it because I got a habit of being extremely heavy-handed with my products, but I ain't got but this much hair, so I don't need that much. It is a looser, creamy texture. I do like that. So let's go ahead and put it on. Only me. Oh, it feels nice on my hair. It feels really good right now. Like, really good. And I know I need to let it actually penetrate, and sometimes things feel good on your hair and it may not feel the same when you rinse it out, but right now it's extremely promising. And I kind of knew when I looked at the texture, it's like, oh yeah, that's the one. Okay, so I'm going to actually let this sit for about 15 minutes. Right now it feels very soft. It has a very slippery feeling in my hands. It's gliding on very well to my hair. I did not have to use an excessive amount. It spreads very nicely, and I can already see definition coming into my curls just by applying it. So let me go ahead and get Samantha. If you're new here, honey, just fall in line with everybody else. Samantha is a friend of ours. She is family. You just gonna have to get used to it. On the count of 3, say hey, Samantha. 1, 2, 3. Hey, Samantha. That ain't Rona. Don't do me. See, it's always something with her. I was fine until I pull this out. Now all of a sudden I'm choking to death without it being on my face. Okay, so let me put this on. I'm gonna sit for 15 minutes and I will be back. And actually, I'm gonna get under some heat as well. This smells really good. And we're back. So my hair has been rinsed, and let me just tell you, my hair feels incredible. That is one of the better deep conditioning treatments that I've used in a long time. The fact that it is a repairing treatment, but it didn't make my hair feel hard at all. My hair didn't feel stiff, because sometimes strengthening treatments can make your hair feel a little firm. My hair feels soft, pliable, moisturized, juicy, just every word that you could use to describe amazing. That's what my hair feels right now. So let's go ahead and get into this leave-in. Look how juicy my curls look. Oh my goodness. That's really nice. And it's supposed to be an intensive treatment to help reduce breakage, prevent split ends, and repair hair's damage. I'm highly impressed that it is strengthening without being hardening. So I really like that treatment for sure. So I'm just gonna take some of this leave-in. It comes in a squirt bottle, so I think that's very convenient. And I just accidentally took way too much, and by way too much I mean this. Why do I keep doing that? It smells good without being overpowering. I don't like super scented stuff, but I do want it to smell good. This smells good without like making my nose burn. So I'm just take some of this and rub it in. Honestly, that treatment made my hair feel so good that this leave-in doesn't feel necessary at all. I just use this just because, you know, it's a review and I just need to put to use, okay? It feels good on my hair. It feels like I put more of the deep treatment on. But what I'm gonna do is put Samantha back on, and what I do that for, if you're new here, is when you put that cap back on top of that leave-in, it allows your hair time to really absorb it versus just slapping a styling product on top, and then sometimes your hair doesn't really get all the benefits. And by slapping the product on top, it may cause the product to slide a little bit and not be as effective, especially if you're using the gel. That's my personal experience. So I do put a cap on top of my leave-ins just to let it soak in. So I'm gonna let this sit for about 15 minutes and I'll be back. But right now, it gave me that amazing feeling that I felt instantly with the deep treatment. I already know I'm gonna like this. And we're back. Oh, I like that. Ooh, I like this. I like it a lot. All right, let me see what detangling is like. Oh yeah, I definitely would use and would repurchase the leave-in. So right now we're 2 for 2. I like this whole collection. Let me finish detangling and we'll move on to the styler. All right, my hair is sectioned and we're ready to get this show on the road. So what I'm going to do, because as I said, this is a daily moisturizer. Now they say you can use it as a setting cream. I know my hair performs better with gels, so I am going to use that cream and put some wet line on top. I just spilled this mess everywhere. But we're gonna use that because honey, the Saints don't waste no money, all right? Dude, this gotta smell. Not for real at all, which is cool. It's actually way thicker than what I thought it would be. Put that on my hair. Oh, that's nice. It's really nice. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit of Eco on top because I can already see that's a good cream. Oh, that's really nice. Oh, honey, yes. And that combo together is yes. Yes, yes. Child, look at this. Child, don't play with me. Look, look, boing, bang. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Take my lemon. Go upward. Go upward. Kind of like a curling iron. Brush and go upward. And look at how these curls are popping. Oh my goodness. This is a good combination. So I'm gonna set the rest of my hair and come back to you. All right, so I'm finished styling. What I'm gonna do is let my hair sit probably another 10 to 15 minutes. And then I'm gonna get under the dryer to let my hair harden. And then I'll kind of separate, fluff, and let my hair do its thing. My thoughts so far on everything is everything that I've touched, I loved. The treatment mask, amazing. Very moisturizing, has a lot of slip. It feels great on my hair, and for it to be strengthening without making my hair feel hard, I'm obsessed. The leave-in was amazing. It provided a thickness and a coating where I felt like my hair was protected but moisturized at the same time. And this curl food, at first I was all ready to say it's not a necessary purchase, you don't have to do it, you can just go straight from the leave-in to a wet line gel application or whatever gel you want to put on. What I will say about this is this provided more moisture and a coating and a thickness that made wet line feel incredible. It's something about that combination where it's just like this clumps your curls together real good. It makes your hair feel really good, and then you put that wet line on top to really lock in that moisture. I feel like I'm gonna have a good wash and go with this. So even this I enjoyed. And what I like the most though is I love brands that tell a story. And so the owner of this brand, her name is Christia Donaldson. Not only is she a beautiful black woman, she is a Harvard Law School graduate and she's a breast cancer survivor. The whole reason she made this brand is because she knows what it's like to experience medical hair loss as a side effect of her chemotherapy. When her hair grew back, she said that it was dry and brittle, so she wanted to go a more natural path, and so she made her own products. So the fact that she took her time, her investments, and her research and made such an incredible line, I am so impressed. And it's just this, honestly, I thought the deep conditioner was going to be my favorite product, but this curl food, yeah, this the one. So I'm gonna go ahead and let my hair dry, let you see the final results, and we're gonna get on out of here. All right, so here is the final result. I am obsessed. I feel like my hair looks really good, but let me come a little closer so you can see. I hope that it's picking up on camera. All I did was sit under my bonnet dryer, that like bonnet attachment that goes on the blow dryer. I sat under there to let my hair dry. Then I put a little bit of diffused heat on there. I used my diffuser for just a little bit. I did not do any picking. All I did was separate just a little bit in this area, just so it could look kind of like a faux pixie, kind of just like lifted right here. But the rest of my hair, I left it alone. This is how my hair dried. I am obsessed. So if you are looking for a recommendation, or if you just wanted to know how TGIN is, I 100% love everything about the Miracle Repair line. This is an amazing line. It can be a little pricey to some. I totally understand, but if you got the coins to spend, I recommend. But this curl food, I am obsessed. This and wet line, chef's kiss. So if you have any questions, leave them down below. Y'all stay safe and stay home. And yeah, because I'm trying to have a high glory summer, and I can't do that if we don't obey, you know, the quarantine rules. And next thing you know, corona is just everywhere forever. Stay home. Okay, I'll see y'all next time. Bye, honey.